This is Van Spotlight, where we take a look at some of Outside Van's most premium van conversions. We'll break down all the specs and dive into what makes a custom, one-of-a-kind outside van. In this episode, we'll take a look at Zeus, which was built in a selenite gray metallic 2019 four-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170 extended chassis. It also features Outside Van's proprietary air roof extension that catches eyes from miles around. It's the ideal layout for a family of four to travel in comfort and style, all while having the modularity to match their next adventure. Zeus features state-of-the-art power, heat, and water systems strategically installed so that the weight is placed forward in the chassis and evenly distributed between the van's axles. Let's start with the things you can't see, the systems. One of the most exciting features in this van is the debut of our hydronic heated floor system. Since Outside Van is completely bespoke, the heated floor channels have been specially designed around the components in this specific build. The floor isn't any thicker than our standard floor because the channels are precision machined into the wood. The heat channels run in areas that see a lot of foot traffic, such as the sleeping area, galley, and passenger seats. To reduce heat waste, they haven't been placed under any boxing, the galley, or the shower. The heating system is silent and the lines are regulated to 120 degrees. Giving you a comfortable 75 to 95 degree temperature under your feet. The central area located behind the shower is where Zeus's water and heat systems live. Inside this cubby space is a 40-gallon stainless steel freshwater tank, water pump, water heat exchanger, water boiler, plumbing, and the water-to-air heat exchanger, all engineered to commingle perfectly. These strategically placed items emit heat into the cubby to prevent the plumbing and the water tank from freezing. The furnace has been installed under the hood so that when the heater is running, it's virtually unheard in the living and sleeping areas. The heater intake is in the grill and the exhaust is under the front of the van. There are a total of 3 heat exchangers inside the van to heat the living space and 1 under the hood. There are also 3 heat vents in targeted locations in the rear, middle, and front of the van. The expansive heating system isn't the only impressive system in Zeus. The power system is comprised of 4 480 amp-hour AGM batteries paired with a 2,000-watt inverter and a secondary alternator that charges the batteries while the van is idle or in motion. 2 of these batteries are located beneath the slider door area to even out the weight from the water tank, and the other 2 batteries are located between the rear axle. This helps balance the overall weight of the van and improves its drivability. Now let's check out the rest of the van. Up front, you'll find 2 passenger seats, both reupholstered in-house with leather and a unique umbrella fabric. Behind these seats is a newly engineered aluminum shower, which is centered in the van for optimal weight distribution.
Oh, I'm sorry. Very funny.
The shower's ergonomic shape is designed for plenty of elbow room. It has a solid, hand-laminated teak floor with a unique drainage system design that matches the laminate used in the rest of the van. A shower bar with a custom shelf has been added to hold shower accessories along with Mac hooks so that wetsuits or damp clothes can be easily hung to dry. Behind the shower is a galley kitchen that features a butcher block countertop, which includes a flush-mounted induction cooktop. It also includes a stacking refrigerator-freezer combo and storage drawers, sink, and a flush-mounted blender mount. To maximize all the space in the van, tucked behind the shower is a hidden sliding pantry for blender cup storage and other kitchen tools. This isn't your typical van. We've added an Outside Van air roof extension along with flares to maximize the space and give it a light, airy feel. The air roof extension allows for the addition of an upper bunk for sleeping or storage, and gives the van a cathedral-like ceiling. It's made from an aluminum shell that's form-fit to the ribs, making a solid seal. We've installed a CNC cut wood structure that's insulated and wrapped in interweaved fabric. In the center is a turn-overland hatch skylight that opens 90 degrees and has a shade, bug screen, and built-in lights. Now let's move to the exterior of the van, which features a number of products designed and fabricated in-house at Outside Van. On the back is the new Outside Van rear step bumper, providing a smooth step into this luxurious vehicle or easy access onto the rear ladder. The bumper relocates the 4 factory sensors to the rearmost part of the van, so you don't forfeit any of the factory features when in reverse and while using the backup camera. An onboard air connection is designed into the bumper and allows for quick use of the ARB air compressor. In addition to this location, the air compressor also has connection points under the hood and in the slider door. For a longer duration of air, we've added an additional 3-gallon air tank. Above the rear bumper is our utility ladder, which comes complete with flip grip traction plates on each step, allowing the user to choose between max traction or a smooth step for barefooted access. It includes the proprietary Outside Van bike accessory mounts to easily hold up to 2 adult bikes. We've included a unique strap on the door that locks the door at 90 degrees and prevents the bikes from hitting the side of the van. On the side of the van are the Outside Van side utility ladders that not only provide access to the roof, but also allow for stand-up paddleboard or surfboard transportation. When using the L-track on the steps, D-rings, and a shackle strap, a plethora of boards can be stored on the side of the van for quick and easy access. We've also included an amp research running board on both the passenger and driver sides to give you a boost into the van. Up top is a custom aluminum safari rack that was strategically designed around the air roof extension and Pro Air AC unit. The safari rack includes 3 crossbars to hold the Yakima carbonite skybox along with a variety of board lengths due to the upright that was designed to clear the AC unit. Rigid lighting can be found throughout the exterior. Scene lights are located on both sides of the van to allow for clear vision no matter the time of day. We've included rear scene lights with a red backlight, and the 50-inch Radiance light bar with an amber backlight is mounted on the front of the safari rack, providing a well-lit trail while off-roading. All of these exterior lights, as well as the air compressor, are seamlessly integrated using the S-Pod Bantam X with an HD control panel mounted on the dash. The system can even be controlled through the app. To make the ride more comfortable, Zeus is equipped with VB air suspension. And finally, there is an upgraded wheel option available for the 3500 Sprinter. These Method 901 wheels are a nice touch on the dually chassis. And that wraps up our tour of Zeus. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the team at Outside Van. See you on the outside.